to push Ian off the bell tower. Lucas gave Emily that massage. I recruited Toby when he got that job in Bucks County.
You were on the Halloween train, just like you.
I told him. He was the Queen of Hearts. There's two of them?
Your sister.
Shauna knew Jenna before she came to Rosewood. They're both afraid of Melissa.
You'll never know what hit you. Won't see me closing in. I'm gonna make you suffer. This how you put me in. I'm underneath your skin. The devil within. You'll never know what hit you.
It seems to me that everyone who saw Allie the night she went missing is waking up dead.
I will be here when you think you're all alone. Seeping through the cracks, I'm the poison in your bones. My love is your disease. I won't let it set you free till I break you. You'll never know what hit you. Won't see me closing in.
I really loved you once. And I really was your friend.
Gonna make you suffer. This how you put me in. I'm underneath your skin. The devil within. You'll never know what hit you. I've tried to be the lover to your nightmare. Look what you made of me. Now I'm the heavy burden that you can't
Rest assured, I will find out what happened inside.
made of me. Look what you made of me.
We're probably gonna have to bring you in for questioning, but remember, we're the good guys. Just here to find out the truth.
You'll never know what hit you.
Shirts won't set you free, bitches.